Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing another 2020 Clean with me. It is a playlist and series going on right now for my channel. If you're interested and you like these kinds of videos, you should definitely check out my 2020 Clean with me playlist. This is our patio door, and it honestly just needed some TLC. So if you like this kind of video and you need some motivation to clean your own home, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below introducing yourself. And today's video is sponsored by Q-Tip. No, I'm totally kidding. I really wish it was, because honestly, Q-tips are my favorite cleaning tool ever. So that little black, it looks like a big pile of dirt in the corner. I really tried to get off, but it was just a piece of tape, so I got it as clean as I possibly could. So for my everyday cleaning, I use microfiber cloths. For deep cleaning like this, I do use paper towels just because it's literally just disgusting. You will see later, however, once I get all of the dirt up, I do switch over to a microfiber cloth. This is my husky Ripley. She's looking at me like I'm completely crazy.
I think she has some kind of disorder.
So like I've said in previous videos, we did just move into this house, so I have been going around to windowsills and doors and every nook and cranny that I can find, just to give it a good cleaning. This is a part of my series, like I said, 2020 cleaning, but I'm thinking about doing a separate playlist of just deep spring cleaning. If you guys would like that video, let me know in the comments down below. In this clip, you'll see me trying my hardest to pick up all of that dirt, and I couldn't. And then I had an epiphany, and I became a little bit smarter, and I used my vacuum. Are you done yet? I said this in my last video, but you guys have got to check out this Windex with vinegar. I really love it. It doesn't leave any streaks, and it doesn't have the harsh traditional Windex scent. Of course I whipped out a Q-tip. Would you guys expect anything less of me? Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you like this kind of content, check out my Clean With Me 2020 playlist that is happening right now on my channel. I hope this gave you some cleaning motivation. I really wish it only took me a couple of minutes, but it took me a lot longer than I thought, but I'm super satisfied with the result. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing and make sure your notification bell is on. Alright, bye guys.